Wild 1, you're going to be leading an Astrojet on a 5-mile final.
Wild 1, locate.
Wild 1, check wheels down, runway 19 left, cleared to the option. Wild 1, caution weight carry wheels, heavy KC-135 on the wind 140.
Boss, calling for 1 base key, gear down, low approach.
All right, Jimbo, watching ease. He's clear.
Turn left heading 090, maintain 2000 DC.
And one more time. Clear.
Wild 2, base key, gear down, low approach.
You can arm your seat.
Standby.
Okay. It's armed. All right, arm both captains.
Wild 2, base key, gear down, low approach.
So, Jimbo, we start up, check in 1 minute, check in 3 minutes, and we taxi in 4 minutes and 4 seconds. That's just the time we need for the INS. It's quick, which is pretty quick.
Muscle 1, unable to bear his head.
You'll see how loud it is in the slot. So I fly with both the radios full volume.
Yeah, I've got earplugs too. So
oh, good.
I got all the volumes cranked up.
Check, smoke pressure on. Check the chip set. Check your heading norm. My heading is 011. Check the swimmer setting 3033. Check your FCS 12, 30, 30, 34. Check your fuel. Check your seat on. Lights out. Over tour. Death. Merlin. Check smoke pressure on. Smoke on. Smoke off. We'll see what's happening with all this landing traffic too. Hopefully they build us a hole today and tomorrow.
Blue Angel 1, Andrews Parrot, cleared out of the Bravo to the northeast, maintain VFR at 2,500, runway 19 left, cleared for takeoff, wind 1005. Traffic is correction, fly runway heading.
Runway heading is 2.5 and then left and remain VFR.
Wind 1104, Blue Angel 1, clear for takeoff.
Solos, we're clear for takeoff. Solos, ready to go, boss.
Give me about a 2-mile final.
Boss, we're clear for takeoff. The winds are a 110 at 4. At the left crosswind. Check your program rig off, check your chip set, check your nose string on. Maneuver, diamond to go, low transition. Straight ahead, climb out.
After the taxi now.
Tour, duck, diamond half clear on 16, let's go.
7, take it direct to the
on.
pad, please. Traffic on the runway.
Now.
KC-135 is
Burners ready now.
Ground speed trooper.
Power set. Gear. Little drive. Burners ready now. Easing power. Easing more power.
On course, heading 080, main.
Let's ease it up.
1,500 VFR, and you can change to departure 335.5. Thanks for your help.
335.5. Okay. 310, adding a low power. Departure Blue Angel 1's airborne, climb at 2.5.
Yeah, busy airspace up here. Yeah, total pain. That's going to make us a little bit late for our demo.
And muscle 8.
It's nice flying form without having to actually concentrate.
Yeah.
Blue Angel 1, contact Potomac approach 119.7.
Switch up 119.7. Approach Blue Angel 1's with you at VFR.
Angel 1, Potomac, Baltimore altimeter 3029. Proceed on course. Cleared into the restricted airspace for you.
Check out my set 3036, uncorrected. Center point elevation 0 feet. Check smoke pressure on, check the text on, roll on a seal. Okay, tour. Merlin. We're 10 miles from center point, put the head on. Okay, tour. Duck. There Merlin. Pick up with Mo. Good afternoon, Mo. Good afternoon, boss. Winds are 120.6. We own the airspace. Have a good one. Thanks, Mo. Coming left. ease down. Swing further left. Down a little more pull. Easing the pull. Rolling out. The head on. A little drive. Quick. Forward. There. Front. Smoke on. Coming easy right. Rolling out. A little pull. Slow catch. Those are clear. Smoke off. Coming right. Diamond half clear on 9. Adding power. Let's ease it out. Now. A little pull. Ready now. A little more pull. On. Easing the pull. Coming back left.